I get to do something really fun today. I'm here and I'm about to coach at a karate tournament. This tournament is called Congo. I don't know, it's part of the Utah Sport Karate League. I saw it and I really missed going to like sport karate tournaments. I used to way back in the day, maybe like 2012 I want to say. I asked if any of my students wanted to come out here and compete in weapons, and we have 2 kids, 1 teenager and 1 adult, and they're all competing in their very first time at a sport karate tournament. So I'm really excited to see how they do. It is totally different than anything they are used to. Our school usually does Taekwondo tournaments and is very much like Olympic style sparring, and yes, they have like forms and weapons divisions. It's more like sport Poomsae. It is just like a completely different type of competition. Anyway, let's just go inside and show you what the sport karate tournament is all about. Bow staff, and he's up against one other kid doing nunchucks, so let's see how it goes. First karate tournament. Up next we have Maddie, who's about to go in musical weapons. Maddie got 3rd place. Good job, Maddie. So Jessie got 1st place in both of her divisions. Woo! Go Jessie. She's feeling up again. That does mean that she gets to go to Grand Championships, which means that all the adults across all the divisions get to compete against each other and go for the Grand Champion. So we are doing it. We're just waiting around till they get started. So here's some point sparring. I have no idea how it works. Okay, came out to the car to take a quick little break because it's been a long day. We're still waiting for the tournament wrap up so that way we can start Jessie in the Grand Championships. It is 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I honestly thought I would be back by like 2 o'clock. That's only 2 hours off, so that's not terrible, but I do need lunch. It's so fun being back at these tournaments. Like, it reminds me of when I've only done like 3, maybe 4 absolute most of these sport karate tournaments. The energy and like the intensity that all of the competitors have in the forms and the weapons and everything, it's just always made such a big difference, and it's really fun to watch. I'm really tempted to sign up for the tournament in September that's up next and compete in weapons and forms and who knows what else. I remember the first time that I did one of these, I had no idea what it was about, and I won my division, which meant that I had to go to Grand Championships, because like basically you gather all of like the winners like in the adult or juniors or whatever division, and then they all compete against each other. Like whether it's creative, musical, traditional, all of them. Male and female too combined. Anyway, so I won my division and then I had to go into Grand Championships. Now, I didn't realize that Grand Championships was like at the night show. So I had to show up at the night show and do my little form, and like it's a stage with like, I don't know, a gazillion people just watching you on the stage and judges and everything, and it was a lot. It was really fun because I only got to do that once. I didn't really go to these style of competitions again because I went over to like the Olympic style sparring route, but it really was fun. I love performing. I love attention when people are watching me, so I'm really glad that I got that experience, and I'm really glad that we're deciding to get into these tournaments again, because I think our students are really gonna love it. Yeah, gonna hang out here and charge my phone up because it's dying, and then we'll go back in for Grand Championships.